Welcome to our stateroom on the Disney Destiny. This is 9538, a deluxe ocean view with veranda. So with the Disney ships, you have split bathrooms. One being having a toilet and a sink, the other having a shower and a sink. So we'll step into the first room first. As you can see, you have your toilet, you have your sink, all of the amenities in here as well. So somebody could be getting ready here for dinner while the others are getting ready in the other restroom. As we go to the next room, you've got your thermostat control. As you can see, we've already got it down to sub-below freezing. That's the way you want to do it. When you have the balcony veranda open, this will shut down. So make sure that your door is always closed if you want to keep air conditioning in the room. The second room here, part of the bathroom, is your shower. You have your shower and a sink as well. The door will actually open both ways. So you can exit this way, or you can push it in this way if you're taking a tub and want the extra room with the door not hanging out. Also, you have the amenities over here in the shower, your shampoo, your conditioner, and your body wash. Back out, we're going to backtrack a little bit. This is all your storage here. So if you got your closets, when you open up the closet doors, the lights come on. The far ones, you have hanging closets, as well as many cubicles that you can use. Of course, 3 are reserved for the life vest, and then you have the security vault in here as well that you can use. Coming to the front closets, these are just hanging areas, so no cubicles on this one other than up top. This is your bed. We actually have Rhea as our background for this particular room. This is the typical Disney bed. On this side, you've got a European plug, along with switch for the artwork and a switch for the downlight, and a drawer there for you. So if you want to extend your outlets and stuff, bring a European plug, and that'll give you a little more power in the room. Got your nice TV. On this side of the room, obviously we got the downlight and the artwork as well. And you got your lamp and also a reading light. And then on this side you have the English plugs as well as 2 USB. And here is another drawer for the room. If you have more than a family of 2, this couch will pull out into another bed, making another queen size bed. You have the table that you can use to slide anywhere you want. Quite heavy, so give it some effort whenever you do. Over here on the desk area, you got some places for storage here, short storage here, long storage over here. You've got a lighted mirror. There we go. These are all your lighting controls. So you have ceiling lights here. You have your curtain lights over here. And then on the balcony is also a light that you can hit as well. While we're here, let's review our goodies from Disney. This is our 7th sailing on the Disney cruise ship. So we're gold members, and so we get the Gold Castaway Club lanyard. You'll get a lanyard for each person based on your level of status. Because of our status with the gold, we also get the other levels below as well. So this is our wet and dry bag, I should say. And then we get a book sack. Okay. In the rooms, you also have many drawers over here, 3 in the center. It comes with a hair dryer, as well as a pad for hot irons or things of that nature for ladies to do their hair. And the other 2 drawers are just available for anything. You do have a little longer drawer here on the far end for bigger things. You got glasses here because you do have a mini fridge down here that you can store water bottles or beverages you pick up around the ship to store in. Under this drawer is all your goodies that you can take with you. Obviously you don't want to take the guides and everything, but nice little pen, some envelopes, some stationery. This is very important. This is your breakfast menu that you can leave on the door, hanging on your door before you go to sleep. Let them know what time to bring it. They'll wake you up with your breakfast here for room service if you so desire. And then you also have a couple of postcards that you can do. If you wanted to send one to somebody, Castaway Cay, they have a mailbox that you can send things to others. And then you have a little stool here on the bottom should you want to get dressed here. And our last piece is our balcony. Obviously, you got drapes here to block it out. The door is very secure, so if you've got kids, it's pretty difficult to open. So what you got to do is press down on the arm all the way down, and you'll hear the air start whistling, and then you can slide it out. And we'll walk out here. We are actually in Port Everglades down in Florida, and the balcony actually has 2 chairs and a table. If you did share this with another family on the room side, this piece right here on either side will open. So if you've got multiple rooms, you can make a much larger balcony. So that is our tour of the Deluxe Ocean Room with Verandah on the Disney Destiny. We hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.